Cj-itv Pickup Comparo presents Hi everyone, my name is Charlie J, and I would like to welcome you once again sa channel po natin, guys, no? And sa mga supporters po natin, sa mga subscribers, I would like to say thank you so much in advance for always supporting our videos. And sa mga bago naman po, no? Sa mga bago po sa channel natin, I would like to welcome you all, and I would like to introduce myself. My name is Charlie J, and of course, you're watching Cj-itv. So this video, guys, is all about Hilux Conquest 2.4 liters manual transmission versus the Strada GLS 2.4 liters also, and a 4x2 variant versus the Ranger Wildtrak 2.0 liters manual transmission. So lahat po ito, guys, 4x2 model. And to have an overview, so tingnan po natin, guys, no? So we'll start with the Hilux Conquest. So mayroon po tayong Hilux na nameplate dyan sa likod, no? Sa tailgate. And while the Strada has on the left side sa tailgate, mayroong chrome plated na Strada na pangalan. And while the Wildtrak on the right side sa tailgate ay mayroong pangalan na Wildtrak, no? And in addition, mayroon tayong Toyota na nameplate. Wala siyang emblem dito sa likod, no? And while the Strada, mayroon siyang triple diamonds, which represents the Mitsubishi, no? It's the emblem of the Mitsubishi brand. And while dito naman sa Wildtrak, we have here the Ford emblem. And mayroon namang decals na pangalan na Conquest sa right and left side ng bed ng Hilux, while sa Strada wala. And for the Ranger, makikita natin sa likod, mayroon talaga siyang pangalan na Ranger, no, na black color. So hindi lang po lahat ng nasa exterior, guys, na makikita natin, but this video comparo, malalaman natin yung engine and performance, economy and environment, dimensions, some security and safety features, and of course including also the high technology features of each of the pickup trucks, and more on the exterior and also the interior system. Bibisitahin din natin, no? Like for example, yung mga infotainment system, the seat cover, kung ano yung seat cover ng bawat pickup, and of course we will also discuss about the prices ng bawat pickups, if worth it ba talaga yung prices ng bawat isa, no? Once again, welcome. So let's start with the engine and performance. So dito sa engine and performance, guys, malalaman natin dito yung engine size, transmission category, and then also the horsepower, the maximum output, and also the maximum torque. So we have here the 2.4 liters for the Hilux Conquest, 2.4 liters also for the Strada, and also the Wildtrak is only 2.0 liters. So the power for Conquest is 148 versus the Strada that has 179, and followed closely by Wildtrak 178. And for the torque, 400 Newton meters for the Hilux Conquest, and 430 Newton meters naman sa Strada, and followed closely again by Ranger Wildtrak. So mas mataas ang rating ng diesel engine ng Strada dito, guys, no? Based on the figures na mention natin. And we will go now to the economy and environment. Yung economy and environment, malaman natin yung fuel type. Of course, no, obviously it's diesel. Pero meron tayong mga additional dito, fuel tank capacity, tsaka yung importante sa lahat, fuel consumption. And curb weight. So malalaman din natin guys kung anong ibig sabihin ng curb weight. And also, we will be able to know the payload capacity ng bawat pickup trucks. So here we have fuel tank capacity is 80 liters for the Hilux Conquest, and the fuel consumption is about 14 to 16 kilometers per liter. While sa Strada is medyo maliit ng konti yung fuel tank capacity niya is only 75 liters per fuel consumption. Nasa 18 to 20 kilometers per liter. For Wildtrak, we have here 80 liters also, same sila sa Hilux, and then magkaiba naman yung fuel consumption, nasa 16 to 18 kilometers per liter. Later guys, we're going to discuss kung bakit magkaiba yung mga fuel consumption nila, no? So we will be able to determine what are the factors, no? Ano yung mga factors, bakit medyo maliit lang yung makina niya pero mataas yung hindi ganun ka fuel efficient sa Strada, no? So in here, the most fuel efficient pickup truck is sa Strada. So tingnan natin guys, no? So here we have the curb weight 2,231 kilograms sa Hilux, and the payload capacity is greater than 1,000 kilograms sa Hilux. For the Strada, medyo lighter vehicle, yung curb weight niya is only 1,810 kilograms, pero yung payload capacity niya mababa rin, no? Compare natin sa Hilux. So it's only 945 kilograms. Dito naman sa Wildtrak, mataas din yung curb weight niya, 2,246 kilograms, pero yung payload capacity niya is the same as Hilux, so it's more than 1,000 kilograms. So we'll talk about the curb weight. Ano ba yung curb weight guys? So yan yung meaning niya. So it's the unoccupied and unladen weight with all fluid reservoirs filled to nominal capacity, including fuel, and with all standard equipment fitted. So ito yung curb weight ng bawat pickup guys, no? So if we are going to compare the Hilux to the Strada, so may difference na 421 kilograms. So that is about mga 8 sacks of rice and malapit sa 8 at kalahati, no? So if we're going to add that to the Strada, so para magiging equal yung weight nila, so what will happen sa Strada guys? Magiging mababa yung fuel efficiency niya. It's because of the weight additional, no? Yung 421 kilograms. So the explanation there is, especially during the traffic conditions, if from 0 kilometers per hour or from standstill, kung patakbuhin siya natin at a certain kilometers per hour, at a certain speed, so you need torque, you need more power, and of course you need more fuel. So yan yung mangyayari guys, no? Kung kukunan naman natin ng weight yung Strada, so yung fuel efficiency niya is maganda kasi magaan lang siya. And also, not only the fuel efficiency, but of course the acceleration. So pag magaan yung sasakyan, syempre madali lang siyang i-accelerate, no? And kung lalagyan na siya natin ng additional weight, so yung acceleration niya would probably be medyo may lag yung kanyang engine, no? For the Wildtrak, so ganun din, no? So 436 kilograms yung mas mataas siya compare sa Strada. So that's one of the reasons why bakit medyo fuel efficient ang Strada compared to Hilux and also sa Wildtrak, no? Knowing that the Strada has the highest power rating compared sa dalawang pickup. Okay? So punta naman tayo sa dimensions. So, dito naman guys, malaman natin syempre yung length, width, height, and wheelbase, and also the turning circle, ground clearance, and wading height or wading depth. So wheelbase, malalaman din natin dito guys kung anong ibig sabihin ng wheelbase and what is the importance of the wading height. So let's start sa Hilux. Yung length niya is 5,335. For the Strada is 5,230 mm. Sa Ranger, 5,354. So, yung pinakamahaba dito guys is the Wildtrak. For the height, so yung pinakamababa dito is the Strada. Yung pinakamataas naman is the Wildtrak. And we'll go now with the wheelbase. So, wheelbase for the Hilux is 3,085 mm. Sa Strada naman is only 3,000 mm. And for the Wildtrak is 3,220. So, as you can see guys, the turning circle of the pickup Strada is only 11.8 compare natin sa Wildtrak and also sa Hilux. No? So, the advantage of having shortest wheelbase is mababa yung turning circle, and also the maneuverability for the Strada is also okay, no? Lalo na sa mga limited parking space area, and also tight road conditions, and also pag nasa traffic ka, and especially pag mag-u-turn ka palagi, so hindi ka magkaka-cause ng traffic. Okay, so other specification, so we have here the wading height. So yan yung meaning ng wading height or wading depth, is the limit of how the car can safely run through flood. So pag gagamitin yung sasakyan guys sa mga prone sa floods area, so may limit dapat, no? Kasi kung hindi, masisira yung alternator, intake, and other vulnerable electronic sensors ng sasakyan. Pick up na prone sa baha yung dadaanan nyo, so probably you need a higher wading height. So malalaman natin dito guys kung sino yung may mataas na clearance. So here for the Hilux is only 70 cm, and also mababa naman yung sa Strada. Pero sa Ranger, you have their 80 cm. So pang 4x4 kasi yung design nito ng Wildtrak guys, no? So ang 4x4 and also the 4x2 halos magkapareho lang yung terrain nila, and also some chassis and other dimensions. So kung prone sa baha yung dinadaanan nyo guys, I think the best choice here is the Wildtrak. And we will go now with the ground clearance. So mas mataas dito yung Hilux, 279, 220 lang yung Strada, and the ground clearance naman sa Ranger is 232. The width, so mas masikip naman dito yung Strada, so 1,815 mm. Yung Hilux is 1,855, and ang Ranger naman is 1,860. More on the specification, as we can observe, pakita natin dito guys, yan yung backrest ng Hilux. If we are to compare that to Strada, the Strada is more inclined, because it has a J design concept to give more legroom space, and also kahit na medyo maikli siya and also medyo masikip, but the J design will give somehow the better riding comfort. And for the Ranger, so medyo straight lang siya, so wala namang problema kasi mahaba naman siya, no? As we have mentioned earlier, the longest pickup truck is the Ranger Wildtrak, compare natin sa dalawang pickup. And we'll go now to the safety and security. So dito naman guys, makita natin yung kung ilan yung airbags ng bawat sasakyan. And we have also here the electronic brake distribution and also auto brake distribution. So walang problema. Yung dalawang safety and security, meron yung tatlong pickup. So bibisitahin natin yung airbags ng bawat pickup. So for the Hilux, you have 3 airbags. So for the driver, the front passenger, and meron siyang knee airbag, while the Strada has only 2 airbags. Sa driver lang, and also for the front passenger. But the Wildtrak here has 6 airbags. So meron siya sa driver, sa front passenger, side airbags, and curtain airbags. So kung gusto nyo guys ng most safe pickup, so syempre the best choice is the Wildtrak kasi 6 yung airbags niyan. For this security and safety features, you have here the anti-lock brake system or ABS immobilizer. Ito yung feature guys na hindi pwedeng manakaw yung sasakyan natin kung wala siyang key fob, no? And we have there the security alarm, stability control, electronic door locks, and the speed sensing door locks. So lahat po nito guys meron ng bawat pickup. And for this, ISOFIX, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, forward collision mitigation system, rear cross traffic alert warning, and ultrasonic acceleration mitigation system. So for the ISOFIX, mayroon din yung tatlo. Pero itong Advanced Driver's Assistance System, o tinatawag nila na ADAS guys, wala po yung tatlo, no? So we can find only this kind of safety and security features yung sa mga top of the line, yung 4x4 na Wildtrak, Hilux Conquest, or sa Strada Athlete na 4x4. So doon natin makikita itong mga security features na to. So for the additional features, we have here the cruise control. We will be able to know also the front and rear parking sensors. So malalaman din natin dito kung leather yung seat covers, and also we will be able to know the push start button or the pickup is using only the traditional ignition key system. And also we will be able to know the wheel size. So sa cruise control guys, yung tatlo meron. So meron siyang control sa steering wheel, and for the front and rear parking sensors, so sa Hilux Conquest, mayroong front and rear parking sensors. Sa Strada naman, wala siyang parking sensors. And for the Wildtrak, mayroon ding front and rear parking sensors. So sa upholstery here, so makita natin dito guys, yung sa Hilux Conquest and the Strada is using only a fabric seat cover, and also sa Strada ganun din. Pero yung Wildtrak, maganda yung cover niya, naka-leather na siya, no? So if you are going to compare the three, the Wildtrak is more superior over the two pickup. So more on the upholstery guys, so yan yung design ng cabin of the Hilux Conquest. You have there also the GLS Strada, and sa Wildtrak, the dashboard naman ng Wildtrak is more superior over Hilux and the Strada kasi meron siyang mga leather touches materials, and maganda yung kanyang dashboard design also. So okay naman yung Strada guys, and okay din naman yung Hilux, but mostly yung mga material na ginagamit, marami mga piano blocks, wala siyang mga leather accents and soft materials. And nandyan yung shifter natin, no, for the Hilux Conquest, and that's the shifter for the Strada GLS, and also that's for the Wildtrak. So sa push start button naman, so walang problema, no, tatlo sila. Mayroong engine start stop button. So ayan po, no. So as you can observe guys, yung sa Hilux and also the Wildtrak, nasa right side yung kanilang push button, and while the Strada is on the left side. So mayroon din silang center console armrest with bottle holders para sa rear passengers, and additional utilities sa likod, no? So sa Hilux mayroon siyang hook. The capacity of that is about 4 kilograms, so pwede mong sasabitan ng mga ibang bagay, no? And for the Strada, you have there the 2 mobile charging port, and for the Wildtrak naman, mayroon din siyang mobile charging port and also electrical outlet. So yan yung pagkakaiba sa rear passenger utilities guys. For the wheel size, so here for the Hilux, you have there the Strada, and you have there also for the Ranger Wildtrak. So yung Wildtrak guys, mayroon siyang black alloy wheels, and sa Hilux naman is a combination of silver and gray accent. And we are going to determine the sizes of each tires. So 18 inches, 265/60 R18 for the Hilux, Ganun din sa Strada and ganun din sa Wildtrak. So magkapareho sila lahat ng 18 inches yung kanilang alloy wheels. So additional features, we will be able to know here the air conditioning system, the infotainment system, and also the connectivity, navigation ready, and the warranty. So dyan natin makikita yung controls ng air conditioning system and also the infotainment system. So if you're going to zoom that out para makita natin yung control ng air conditioning system. So for the Hilux is automatic climate control. For the Strada naman is a single zone electronic automatic temperature control. And for the Wildtrak, we have their dual zone electronic automatic temperature control. And for the infotainment system, so we have here for the Hilux, you have their 8-inch touchscreen with AM, FM via 6 speakers, and navigation ready na siya, and also with Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto. At mayroon siyang smart device link, no? Yung Toyota apps na pwede mo siyang i-connect sa cellphone. For the Strada, you have their 7-inch multifunction touchscreen display, pero wala siyang Apple CarPlay and also Android Auto, pero navigation ready na rin siya, no? And here for the Wildtrak, we have 8-inch multifunction touchscreen display, and mayroon din siyang navigation ready and also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto na rin siya. And mayroon din siyang Ford applications na pwede mo rin siyang i-connect sa cellphone. So magkatulad sila, magkapareho sa Hilux, no? So walang smart device link yung sa Strada. And for the warranty here, we have 3 years, 100,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. And more of the features, dito naman malalaman natin yung keyless entry, roof rails, fender flares, fashion bars, electric adjustable seats, power steering, power windows, power outlet, and steering wheel audio control. So makikita natin dito, guys. Pero itong electric adjustable seats, so manual, no? Hindi siya automatic yung adjustable seats ng tatlong pickup. For the keyless entry, so tatlo sila, guys. Smartmatic keyless entry, no? Mayroon siyang push button na kahit yung mga key fob natin nasa bulsa natin ay pwede natin siya i-unlock and lock. So walang problema, magkatulad yung tatlong pickup about the Smartmatic keyless entry. And for the roof rails, so dito sa Conquest, mayroon siyang roof rails. Sa Strada naman wala. But for the Wildtrak, you have also roof rails, no? Maganda rin yung design ng Wildtrak and also the Hilux. So for the fender flares, so sa Hilux Conquest, you have there the fender flares built-in, so hindi mo na kailangang bibilhin, no? Sa Strada, wala siyang fender flares, and also wala rin sa Wildtrak. But if you want to have a fender flares, I think the price outside is about 6,500, yung bushwhacker, and also yung slim fender flares is priced at about 4,500 to 5,000. So dito naman, guys, sa sports bars, sports bar, so mayroon sa Hilux Conquest, and also wala sa Strada. But for the Wildtrak, you have also the fashion bar. So kung bibili tayo sa labas ito, guys, I think the price is about 20,000 to 25,000. So we have here the power steering. So the Hilux is a hydraulic control, and also for the Mitsubishi Strada, while the Ford is an electronic control power steering system. Siya yung pinakamalambot sa tatlong pickup, guys, no? So it is always noted na pag Ford yung sasakyan mo, malambot talaga yung steering wheel. And for the technology, we have here the active park assist, hill start assist, hill descent control, and also you will be able to know if meron silang reverse camera. So active park assist wala sa tatlong pickup. Sa hill start assist naman meron, and wala yung hill descent control kasi manual transmission. So Sa reverse camera naman guys, so wala problema, no? Yung tatlong pickup mayroong reverse camera. So kung i-engage natin yung manual shifter, so lalabas sa infotainment system automatically. The suspension, we have here the front suspension is magkapareho din yung tatlo, no? Independent double wishbone with bar stabilizers and shock absorbers. Sa likod naman yung traditional na elliptic leaf spring with shock absorbers. And for the exteriors, so more on the exteriors makikita natin, so mayroon diyang Hilux sa gitna ng tailgate, while sa Strada naman nasa left side and the Wildtrak is on the right side. And mayroon tayong nameplate ng Toyota on the left side of the tailgate, and at the center of the tailgate of the Strada, you have the triple diamonds emblem. Sa Ford naman, mayroon tayong emblem din sa gitna. And you have the rear bumper with the step boards. So for the tail lights, so here we have the Toyota on the left side, and sa Strada left side also many chrome-plated na Strada, and also that's the design of the tail lamps. Sa Wildtrak naman, you have the name Wildtrak and on the right side, and then ganyan din yung design ng kanyang tail lamps, no? So iba-iba yung design ng kanilang tail lamps. So for the headlights, so iba-iba din yung design, no? For the Hilux Conquest, LED na yung kanyang headlights, and also for the Wildtrak, LED. Pero yung Strada guys is using only the halogen lamps, no, para sa headlights. And for the instrument clusters, so we have here for the Conquest double dialed instrument clusters. You have there the RPM meter and also the speedometer and other informations. So halos magkapareho din sa Strada, no, dalawa din, no? Pero sa Wildtrak naman, single dialed instrument clusters. So yan sa gitna is the speedometer, and sa left side naman as right side other information display. So for the prices, so here we have the Conquest priced at 1,420,000, and for the Strada is 1,250,000, and for the Wildtrak you have there 1,480,000. So price difference for the Hilux and the Strada is 170,000. Mas mahal ng 170,000 yung Conquest compared sa Strada. And for the Wildtrak versus the Strada, you have the price difference at 230,000. Sa Conquest naman versus Wildtrak, mas mahal yung Wildtrak ng 60,000. So yun lang po guys, no? Yun lang po yung mga specifications and yung mga exterior system, interior systems, infotainment system. So mako-compare natin, no? If kung kukuha ka ng Conquest over the Strada, so medyo mahal siya ng 170,000. And also for the Wildtrak versus Strada, mahal naman yung Wildtrak for 230,000. Yung Conquest naman versus Wildtrak, mas mahal na yung Wildtrak ng 60,000. So kung isa-summarize natin guys, based on what we have discussed, so kung gusto mo ng medyo powerful na engine and fuel efficient, so yung Strada yung pinaka the best option. Pero if you are going to choose yung safety and medyo maganda yung interior system, so you can choose the Wildtrak. So medyo mahal nga lang siya, no? And if you choose also the Conquest, because it's Toyota, so the reliability and of course the high resale value, so maganda yung sa Toyota because it's already there in the market. Maganda yung kanilang pangalan, no? So pag Toyota, we are expecting that you will be receiving an invincible and also a tough pickup. So may kanya-kanya silang mga pros and cons. Hindi sila perfect, yes, no, as what we have seen. So mayroong iba na wala sa ibang pickup, no? So depende sa inyo guys, no? I hope I was able to help you out what is the best pickup that fitted on your preferences. So makita natin dito guys yung mga additional accessories, no? So yung sports or fashion bar, you have there the roof rails, fender flares, and the leather seat cover. So estimated price lang ito guys based on my experiences sa online selling na makikita ko, no. So the fashion bar or sports bar is priced at about 20,000 to 25,000. So you can buy this one if ever you will be choosing the Strada. Wala kasi siyang sports bar, so pwede kang makabili ng sports bar sa labas, no. And for the roof rails, the price is about 5,000 to 8,000 depending also on the quality of the roof rails. And for the fender flares, yung slim fender flares is priced about 4,500 to 5,000. Yung bushwhacker, yung mga malaking fender flares, the price is about 6,500. For the leather seat cover, the price is about 10,000 to 15,000. So magandang klase na po yun guys. So pero may advice guys, pag if ever you will buy this kind of accessories, mas maganda na sa labas ka bibili, no? Huwag kayong bibili sa kasa, kasi pag sa kasa mo bibilhin yan, sigurado baka triple or baka double yung prices. Okay, so I would like to say thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. If bago pa po kayo sa channel natin, please don't forget to subscribe, and also please don't forget to click on the bell notification button so that updated po tayo lagi pag meron tayo mga video Comparo na i-upload. So I would like to say thank you so much, and of course you're watching Cj-itv.